Once again, good morning. I am Rica Misoteo, and this is the continuation of our report, The Epic of Spain. The Epic of Spain refers to the traditional heroic stories or poems from Spanish history. This epic celebrates brave warriors, great battles, and important events that shaped Spain. They were often sung or recited by poets called jugglers. So the most famous Spanish epic are the El Cantar de Music, the most famous epic poem of Spain. So it tells the story of Rodrigo Diaz de Vivar, known as El Cid, a brave knight who fought for honor, loyalty, and justice. It shows Spanish values like bravery, faithfulness, and love for one's land. The El Cid Cantar, so as you can see the picture, is the El Cantar de Music, which follows the life of Rodrigo Diaz de Vivar, known as El Cid, vanished from his homeland due to false accusation. So this story proves his loyalty and bravery by winning battles, protecting people, and gaining honor through his action. His courage to help him regain the king's trust and restore his family status. So these Spanish epics highlight values such as honor, bravery, loyalty, and justice, blending real history with heroic legend to show the struggle and triumphs of medieval Spain. So that would be all of my topic. To continue with, may I call on my co-reporter for the continuation of the Epic of Spain. So once again, I am Rica Misoteo, and good morning.